Do you need to highlight important text in a PDF document but don't have expensive PDF editing software? Maybe you're reviewing study notes, marking important sections in reports, or collaborating on business documents, and you need a quick and easy way to highlight content inside a PDF. Don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you Softaken Highlight PDF Online free, a simple online tool that lets you highlight PDF files directly from your browser. No software installation, no complicated setup, and no technical skills required. The problem: PDF files are widely used for documents, contracts, ebooks, and reports. However, many users face common problems. Most PDF editors are expensive. Some tools require creating an account. Many applications need software installation. Highlighting text in PDFs can be difficult for non-technical users. Some online tools place watermarks on edited documents. As a result, users waste time searching for a simple and free solution. The solution: that's where Softaken Highlight PDF Online free comes in. This web-based tool allows you to upload your PDF, highlight important text or sections, and download the updated file within minutes. Everything works directly in your browser, making the process quick and convenient. Benefits of Softaken Highlight PDF Online free: private and secure. Your files stay on your device and remain protected. Free to use. No cost, sign-up, or subscription required. No installation. Works directly in your web browser. Instant results. Highlight PDFs in just a few clicks. Original files safe. Your source PDF remains unchanged. Desktop version available. Advanced features for professional users. How to use Highlight PDF Online free. Step 1. Upload your PDF. Select or drag and drop your PDF file into the tool. Step 2. Configure options. Choose the text or sections you want to highlight and adjust the settings if needed. Step 3. Download the result. Save the highlighted PDF instantly while keeping your original file unchanged. If you're looking for a fast, easy, and reliable way to highlight PDF files online, then Softaken Highlight PDF Online free is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching.